All right, folks, so it's pretty much first thing in the morning, and came on down here to, where there he is, coming down here, Eddie's house. And another buddy of mine, Doug, has his rig parked out here. It is a 1975 Dodge, it looks like Tradesman 300. It's a Coachman, and we're going to have to check this bad boy out later, folks. All right, folks. So here we go. It's the 1975 Dodge Tradesman 300 Coachman. And he's got, pardon the mess, he's got a bunch of junk in here right now. But you come back here, he's got the stove, got the little area over here. Hey, Doug, is this a refrigerator too? Yeah. It's got a refrigerator in it over here. See if I can get a good view of it. Bunch of storage and stuff like that here. Also, he says it's got a crapper in the back there. You can see the privacy curtain for the crapper in the back. As you can see, it is, yes, a high top. And over here, I believe this folds out. Hey, does that fold out to a bed up top?
Yep, all the way back to where you are.
All right, so it's got the bed, as you can see, in this area, which will fold back all the way back to about, oh, there we go, there. Yeah, okay, we can see the end. So it pulls out all the way over to there. Pretty cool. And as you can see, you got the seats here, the table, which obviously will probably fold down into a bed and everything. And check out, you got the original, the old school stuff here. I'll get to the front so you can see it all better. You know, looks like pretty much everything original. But let me get to the front and show you guys that stuff too. Hold on. All right, so here we go. All right, so it looks like you got the original seats. Holy crap, I don't know if I could even fit in these seats, man. These, I don't know if you guys can see it, but these seats are like small. And he's got the doghouse off. I'm not sure what size engine. I can ask him when he comes out. He just went in to bring his dog back in. He was walking his dog. Check it out. It has the original old school radio here. Washer, wiper, the old lighter. Okay, what we got down here? All right, this is temperature, low, high, defrost, and pull air, low, high. That's the fan. Pretty cool, huh? You got the old gauges over here. Speedometer. Let's see, check out his mileage here. You guys can see his mileage. Huh. The old steering wheel. Yeah, he's got to, I'm going to tell him he's got to get that doghouse up or he's going to have the squirrels running up in here like crazy. Probably have a skunk bunk bait. So, yeah, so she's nice. She's old school. Some TLC, this baby would be awesome. So in the front here, missing the D, missing the E. I'm gonna close this up. Nah, this one's not mine. This is a buddy's. Close it up so you can see the whole side here. On the side and the back, it's got the Coachman. And then you got the back. I think he opened the back. Let's see if he didn't lock it back up again. I don't know if I can even get it open. Yeah, he locked it up. But and it does have on this side, it has all these things for the, I guess, the water hookup and all that stuff, the electrical, and down here you do have propane. So he says there's a big old propane bottle. He doesn't know if it's still good or anything, but. And you got the high top, and that's all moldy, you know, sitting there for so long. But that's pretty awesome. I like you got the freaking windows here, man. So much more circulation in this with that high top there. Oh, cool. He's got the little the step ladder coming down here. There we go. So he's got the little step ladder. Pretty cool. So yeah, that is my buddy Doug's rig that I guess he's going to hopefully try and restore. The Dodge Tradesman 300 Coachman. It's a 1975.